All right, guys, we got the Gunway chair here. This is their big and tall, and I'm going to show you guys something. I am super pumped about it. I've already got it put together, and you can see this thing is fantastic. It is a large chair, super comfortable. Check out how easy these rollers are on here, right? So super simple. You have on it two different spots. So I got a piece here, and I got a piece on this side. So if I want to actually make some magic happen to it, check that out. On the right side, you're going to go up. On the left side, we're actually going to be able to go down. So we'll be able to use that. Now, I have lumbar support on this spot over here. So if I want to do this, all I have to do is twist. It's going to give me lumbar support right here without any issues. Guys, this thing is super sweet. You want to lean it back, you kick it, you open it up. I got plenty of room for funtivities right now. I got plenty of room for funtivities, and I can make this thing happen. And I misspoke on it. You have one spot for your gas lift to go up and down. So you pull it, it's going to go up, and then your left side is going to be the lever, which is going to allow you to rock back on it and forth. So when it is pushed down, it is locked out. Let's go ahead and drop it down here. And now we're going to flip up the lever just like that. And with that, I'm able to lean back. Really good lean. Something I noticed about this, you notice how there's a cutout right here, and it might be hard to see via the video. There's a cutout. So you have a good spot that fits right under the kneecap. But if you lean, you can slide and move your feet out a little bit. And there's like a nice spot to readjust how you're sitting. And I think that is super clutch when you're actually working with this. But a couple things I want to tell you. The feet. Okay, these are new and improved style wheels, more like your rollerblade wheels, not like your old ones that would be problematic. These new rollerblade wheels are super sweet, allowing you to be able to roll around with ease and not have any problems whatsoever. So I like that. But very overall comfortable, nice high quality leather material, and really good high back, fits up to my head to be able to hold that. Just nice product. Simple to put together, didn't have any issues with that. Did it about 20 minutes after reading the directions twice, making a mistake. But this thing is super nice. Gunway, thanks for sending it to us. Happy to partner with you guys. You guys need to check out this chair. Check it out.